Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal on Nintendo Switch. First, you'll need to purchase the game digitally from the Nintendo eShop. Make sure your Switch has enough storage. The game requires about 18 gigabytes of free space. A strong internet connection is also essential for downloading the game files. Once downloaded, you can launch it directly from your home screen and begin your demon-slaying adventure. It's a straightforward process to get started. Doom Eternal on Switch delivers a remarkable experience, optimized for the console's hardware. The game targets a consistent 30 frames per second, whether you're playing in handheld or docked mode. It also utilizes dynamic resolution scaling, which adjusts the image quality on the fly to ensure smooth gameplay. While it's a demanding title, the developers have done an excellent job ensuring a visually impressive and fluid experience for a portable system, making it truly enjoyable. Mastering the controls is key to becoming an effective slayer. Doom Eternal supports both the Joy-Con controllers and the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, offering flexibility in your playstyle. A standout feature is the optional motion aiming, which allows for incredibly precise adjustments, giving you an edge in intense combat. Don't hesitate to dive into the game's settings to customize your button layout and sensitivity, finding what feels most comfortable and effective for you. To truly conquer the demonic hordes, here are a few essential tips. Always prioritize upgrading your weapons and suit abilities. These enhancements are crucial for survival. Embrace the game's unique push-forward combat loop, aggressively engaging enemies to regain health and ammo. Finally, take your time to explore every corner of each level. You'll discover valuable secrets, extra lives, and lore that deepen your understanding of the Doom universe. Happy slaying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.